Hi, my name is Muhammad Khalid Ishaq. I'm going to be the trainer for Incident Investigator. As you know, Incident Investigator is not a common occurrence at workplace. Therefore, many practitioners out there really need to have the necessary skill to collect the data needed during the incident investigation. So this course basically aims to help the safety practitioners out there to attain these skills in both a professional and a timely manner. So there will be soft skills. They will be given an exposure on soft skill to all the safety practitioners, and they should be able to process. Will be able to explain in detail. Okay, the objective of this course will be basically to develop safety personnel with the skills that are crucial during an incident investigation, to familiarize the safety practitioners with the incident investigation process, and to equip the safety practitioners with the necessary knowledge and on what make to make a good report, and to better improve the quality of safety clearance incident investigation. So we are going to cover introduction to training. We're going to cover the legal requirements. In this course, we are going to cover the process and steps of incident investigation, from starting up of your investigation team and their roles, and then preparation, how to do the facts findings and techniques on the soft skill in the techniques on the interview of the interviewee, and understanding the basic causation theory, and it covers also the understanding the human behavior and factors influencing them, and techniques in incident analysis. They will be given some exposure on some of the incident analysis tool. And basically the last part we are going to cover on the latest technique, that is the basic theory on tripod beta, and how to develop tripod betas, how to differentiate all the barriers and put in all your causation path. So they will be able to do the differentiation between what we mean by hard barriers as compared to soft barriers, and what are barriers is all about controlling agents, protecting the objects, and basically they will be given the exposure on some of the symbol used in incident investigation. So it's basically going to use a diagrammatic method, and then from the tripod trios you're going to go for the tripod causation path, that is the from the immediate cause, things could have happened, barriers that have failed, the immediate cause, and then the preconditions, and also the underlying cause. So these are the things which will be the participants will be given the exposure, and you will relate to the basic risk factors. What are the underlying cause? We are going to use the BRF, the basic risk factors. The 11, that is the design, the procedures, the hardware, the training, maintenance management, communication, housekeeping, incompatible goal, error enforcement condition, organizational, and also defenses. So these are, and we'll be able to provide some trainings, recommendations there will be two types of long-term and short-term. The long-term will be lies on the underlying causes, and the short-term will be on the barriers. So something which we place for it to prevent from recurrence, and some of the rules in tripod beta, the do and don'ts in tripod beta. And so it's basically going to be done in 3 stages. Stage 1 will involve some techniques, some soft skill, giving some skill for them to know what to do. The second part is the crucial part, that is each of these stages, once it's finished, they need to go for an assessment. There will be a passing mark. There will be some they need to answer all the questions. So second stage, then you will be more on the practical part, how to do the incident. Once you get all the facts finding, the data, you put it into this analysis diagram. You need to do your analysis. We are going to use this tripod beta. This is the tool which has been mostly currently used in the developed countries. So they are going to have, then that will be done in second stage. For 3 days they will be given few HSC cases. They need to pass an assessment again. Last, then they will go for once they completed the success, they succeed in the second stage, stage 2, then they go for stage 3 for this evaluation, or that will be assessed by a panel of few authorities. Myself as the subject matter expert will be there, and we will have authorities. We will be inviting people like from MCHORG. We will be inviting people from the authority like DOJ or CIDBs and other some authorities and so forth. So it's basically it's a very good exposure for this to use all the various latest technique available in the market. Okay, thank you very much.